Hello, today I will be teaching you how to set up a really basic navigation bar in Figma using its prototyping tools. As you can see, this allows you to change between pages in your design. You can also use prototyping tools to make things like buttons functional. It's pretty cool, and this is just the top of the iceberg. If you spend some time with the tools, it can really elevate your designs and bring some motion and life into them. By the way, if you're wondering how I got these iOS 26 UI elements, you can find the entire UI kit in the Assets tab. Just search for iOS 26. It can be really helpful if you just want to make a basic layout for prototyping, but I would be careful making a full design using these kits because they are only for use on Apple devices. Okay, let's start by searching for a toolbar in the iOS 26 UI kit. Make sure you select the one for the iPhone. There are ones for the iPad, too, but we won't be using that today. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can see some options from the UI kit for this component. I'm going to enable separate search, and set the amount of tabs to 4. Next, we'll detach this component. We are going to be making specific changes to it for this project, so it's okay. This is really the only situation where you should be detaching a component like this. You don't want to detach things normally, since it creates inconsistencies. Now, let's create a local component. Then create a new variant property. You can name it whatever you want, but I'll be calling it selected. Press the plus button twice so we have 3 variants. Then adjust their variable names. Okay, let's set up the prototype interactions. First, you want to click on the specific button that we are going to add the interaction to. Then click on this button. This is the multi-edit button, and it allows you to quickly edit all instances of a component. Yippee! As you can see, when I click on one part of the component, all matching pieces also get selected. Alright, let's switch to the prototyping tab. Hit the plus to create a new interaction. It should automatically select the on-tab prerequisite. There are lots of different actions that you can make occur on a tab, but today we are going to be using Navigate 2. Now, making sure the first tab is selected on your menu, set its on-tab location to your first page. You can also set an animation. I like to use the gentle preset at 400 milliseconds. Now all you have to do is copy these settings to all buttons you want to make interactable. Make sure you change the location page to the matching one. Cool. Now, we can make a copy of the component by selecting a frame, holding down the Option key and dragging. You'll know you've copied it correctly when you get this hollow diamond icon, which indicates an instance of a component, rather than this filled diamond, which indicates a master component. Now all you need to do is copy this onto all of your pages. And, tada! There you have it, a fully functional navigation bar made using Figma prototyping. Thank you for watching.